everybody, I'm back for another video, and here you'll see I have a package from Taroko Design. All I did was cut off the tape on one side, and let's see what we have in here. I think it's something that will go inside my camel passport. Let's see. Oh. Here we are. It's in a box with some of this paper shavings, and it's also wrapped in bubble wrap, very well protected, and it also looks like it's in one of their little baggies. So let's see what we have. I'll save that for my journal. And here we are. It is a undyed, sorry the lighting is not so great today. It is an undyed leather card and ID holder with a zipper pouch. And they don't have any marking on it, but what you'll see is there's brads here, and there's the stitching, and the zipper is camel colored. I think you can choose the color for your zipper. You can choose between like green and black and this color and red. There might even be a blue, but it would replace this insert that I have in here. This is one by Keely Reichman. You can see they're the same height, the same width. Why hers has like a secretarial pocket here, 2 ID slots, another pocket, and a zipper. This just has a zipper and then 2 credit card slots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause for a brief moment. I'm going to set this up, and what I'll do is put it in here so you can see just what it looks like. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it in here, and I put a couple of business cards in to cover my information. But, so you can see, there's the back side of that, where your 2 card slots are. And it looks like the bottom card slot might be just a little bit bigger than the top. And I've just got some insurance card and stuff like that in there, but you could put cash or more business cards. And it's leather, so it's definitely durable. It's going to last a long time. It does thicken it up, but I mean that's to be expected because it is leather, so that is thicker than this. But there still is no overhang when you, here, I'll get the pen out. When you close the Traveler's Notebook, the overhang I have is this pen loop. So there you go, just a quick little unboxing so I could share with you this zipper pouch that you can get through Taroko Shop. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.